Meralco is advising the public against defective Christmas lights. The full report from Ara Perez.
Owing to the recent incidents of fire caused by defective Christmas lights, Meralco has echoed the Department of Trade and Industry's advice to the public that low-quality commodities may yield unfortunate incidents. Being one of the country's top suppliers of electricity, Meralco has this to say to consumers.
Mahalaga, unang-una, na mayroong safety marks itong bibilihin na Christmas lights tulad nung import commodity clearance, yung ICC, itong Philippine Standards at Underwriters Laboratory, yung PS at yung UL na mula sa DTI.
Meralco asked the public to opt for LED Christmas lights since they are more economic. Timers may keep the Christmas lights on during the entire night, but unplugging the lights off is a wiser option.
Kami ang lagi naming pinapayo, kung matutulog na tayo, baka pwede hugutin na natin. Anyway, wala na naman pong magiging parang gamit pa yon, no? Dahil wala nang tulog na nga yung mga tao sa bahay. Lalo na ho, kung aalis tayo ng bahay, siguraduhin natin nakahugot yung saksakan, nakahugot yan mula sa saksakan. Dahilan sa ayaw naman natin magkaroon ng aksidente, syempre.